Hi guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Lola Tallulah, and as you can see, I am here with an unboxing of the Anna Griffin Finishing School Salon Nouveau craft box. It will be on HSN on November 2nd, which is Monday, but I'm in the subscription, so mine's already here. So I thought I would do an unboxing because number one, I love Art Nouveau and Art Deco and that whole 20s vibe. And yeah, it's so fabulous. So let's get started. So this is the last of the finishing school. It comes in this lovely box with the colors specifically designed. It has a drawer pull. Love it. Ooh, don't look inside yet. It's so fabulous. Look at the design. I love these colors too. Because you know, I'm loving the blue. I'm definitely not a pink girl. Anybody who's been on my channel knows that. Ugh, pink. Ugh. So let's go ahead and get with this. So you get envelopes, you get cards, you get stickers, you get dies, you get all kinds of stuff in this kit, which is why I absolutely love it. You also get a code for 3 free lessons for each box. Now the funny thing is I haven't looked at any of the lessons on finishing school. Oh my gosh. So let's go ahead and take this box drawer out. I love Anna Griffin's packaging. I will tell you that. So as with every card kit, so forth, you get some instructions. It talks about welcome to finishing school and so forth. And then underneath my thumb, my jacked up thumb where I broke my fingernail, is the code. Okay. So I guess I really actually should go use it and check it out. They give you some samples. Look at those colors. Oh, love it. Okay, it gives you the plate combination to emboss, to die cut, and then you have some more examples. Love it. So you've got that. Then you get the nitty gritty of the box. So what should we start with? What should we start with? Let's start with the sentiment. So you get a pack of sentiments, and you'll have to forgive the crinkling. That's what happens in an unboxing. So funny people complain about the crinkling, but you're watching an unboxing video. So look at those colors. Love it. It reminds me of the cigar box that they had out for the guys earlier, which I absolutely love. So it looks like some of those colors as well. I love our beautiful friendship. Woo woo. So you get some of those. You have these embellishments. Look at that. Look at these beautiful colors. Let's open this mug up. Beautiful. Okay. I'm actually going to dump these out because I want to see them myself. Ooh, look at these. So it looks like you get 2 of each. So those are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Get like these little border pieces. And I was wondering if they're stickers, but I don't think so. I don't think they are stickers. And so you have some of this color, this one. I love this. Love it. Some pads. And I love how she always has some elements of foil in there. So you've got this one. Ooh, check these out. These are pretty. I love these colors. Oh my gosh. They're so beautiful. How pretty is that? I need that as a stamp or something. And then you have these. Your flowers in the blue. Got some little butterflies. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. You look at this one. So cute. I love that. The whole Art Nouveau swirly of it all. Yes, indeed. So like I said, this will be on HSN on the 2nd, which is the last 24-hour craft day. Look at that. What? I hope she comes back and re-releases these, because that would be awesome. Okay, so then you get some card blanks. Let me take this off. And they're even stamped with handmade by on the back. So look at these. What? How beautiful is that? Love it. And these are 5x7s. And this color, I absolutely adore these colors. And I love this peach. Now, I know it's funny because some people be like, what? I hate pink, but I love peach. So that is pretty. Ooh, look at that one. Gorgeous. So you get 4 of each type of card. And then you have your requisite Anna Griffin gold, because you always have to have that. And then she has her pattern pieces to coordinate. So let's look at these. So we've got 2 of each kind. So we've got this, and then there's, nope, it's 3 of each one. So we've got that, and then on the back is a peach. Look at that. How beautiful. And then a darker peach. Oh my gosh, I wish she would release these as a paper kit. I would so buy that. I love this color green. It's kind of an olivey color. Then that ice blue. Woo-hoo-hoo. And this yellow. So pretty. Yellow creamy color. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Then, of course, you get your requisite envelopes and the piece de resistance, the coup de grace, the magnificence of the magnificence, the creme de la creme. The one reason why I live and exist is the die set. So I love it that you have a background layer and then you've got a layer on top. And they did the same here. So you've got a background layer, then you have another layer, there's a background, then one on top, and then you have a centerpiece, which goes back to that one piece that was in there. So that's cool. Love it. Love it. And then they give you an embossing folder. And so this is the embossing folder, and it mimics this piece here. Excuse me. So that is the Anna Griffin box. What is it called? Salon Nouveau. Love it. Here, why am I putting... I don't even know why I put the dies on the bottom, because that'll be the first thing I use. So let's put all these back in here. So I hope that was a fabulous unboxing for you and that you like this. And if you do, then go definitely on HSN to pick it up. It'll probably be up before the 2nd because they usually do that. So, you know. So you can check that out. All right, thanks for watching. I shall see you guys in the next video. Be safe and send out prayers for this world that we live in. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.